Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the encapsulation. So first of all, what is the encapsulation? The encapsulation is just a technique which is used to hide the data from the user, or in other words it is used for information hiding. So now here I'm gonna create the functions and the data members. Here is the string and name, and it have also the age. Every person have the age. And now here I'm gonna create a function whose here is the display, and now here is the parentheses. So now we have to give the access specifiers to these data members and to these methods. First of all, the name and the age and the personal information is the secret, and any organization does not allow anybody to see the information of their employees, or anybody cannot show their information. So we have to make our data private. So many programmers make their data private, so the data is not visible to any other class or in the same package or in the different package. It is only visible in the class, in the function. And we make the functions public. Why we make the functions public? Because functions involve only the implementation, or in other words the techniques. So it cannot contain anything that is secret or that is important. So our data is in the variables, is in the data members, so we make it private, and the function is always public. All the programmers, many programmers use this strategy, make the functions public and the variables private. You can give any specifiers, but I'm gonna use this. Many programmers use this, and this is called the encapsulation. We encapsulate our data in the boundary, and we only show the functions. Because why we make the functions public? Because functions have the access to these data members. Whenever we want to change the value of these data members, we use these functions and then edit these data members. So this is called the encapsulation. And in the next lecture I'm going to discuss toString method. So what is the toString method? Is just give the information about the object. So let's see in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this lecture.